In the ever-changing world of business, an organization's success depends on constantly meeting new challenges and adapting to the marketplace. I'm Greg Gumbel. From e-commerce to investing, business strategies to human resources, join me as we take a closer look inside the workings of the modern global economy. Welcome to The Economic Report. Finding a green solution to the world's energy needs is essential to a cleaner environment. Let's take a look at one of the possible solutions.
Can a problematic fuel source, historically notorious for producing damaging emissions, actually burn clean enough to pass the most stringent of tests? The same fuel that powered most of the early industrial revolution and resulted in cities filled with unbreathable air, coal, can now be tamed enough to be a viable alternative fuel for the 21st century. And one company is leading the way with innovative technology to turn coal into much-needed liquid fuel.
We have an ability to convert that coal into gas, unlock the energy value, and we pipe that gas to the surface. Once we have that gas, we also have a process of coal to liquids, which is the Fischer-Tropsch process that converts that liquids into ultra-clean diesel and jet fuel, effectively oil. So we can take a ton of coal and in the ground, effectively pump the gas from the resultant UCG process a mile away, and within minutes turn it into a barrel of oil or diesel.
Australia's state of Queensland contains vast stranded coal deposits across its famous outback. Linc Energy has brought together two proven processes in order to turn ordinary coal into ultra-clean liquid fuels. Underground coal gasification is a process that converts solid coal into a clean-burning synthetic gas that can fuel generator turbines in order to produce environmentally friendly electricity. The gas is sent through the coal-to-liquids process, which will produce a synthetic ultra-clean liquid fuel that can be used in diesel and jet engines. In the former Soviet Union, UCG technology is still used to generate power. Coal to liquids has been powering diesel engines in South Africa for over 40 years. The combination of UCG and CTL techniques require a very small surface footprint, as most of the activity takes place underground. Properly executed, there is no groundwater contamination and minimal environmental disturbance. Indeed, the land above the facility can be used for farming, even while conversion is underway. The process doesn't require much energy in order to operate and attains a remarkable 80% efficiency. That means that fully 80% of the coal's energy potential is available to be used, outperforming most other fuel sources.
Here's something where we can unlock hundreds of years of energy value very cheaply, very easily, and very environmentally friendly. The coal to liquid side, where we actually took that gas and turned to liquids, that was part of the reinvention and development of Linc in the early days of what it is now today. But it was just the whole idea that we could tap into generations of energy cheaply and easily and environmentally that really grabbed my attention.
The company's facility in Chinchilla, Queensland is coming online with approximately 1 billion metric tons of nearby coal reserves. This is estimated to provide 20,000 barrels per day of ultra-clean, zero-sulfur liquid fuels for the next 190 years. Linc Energy has recently acquired a controlling interest in Gas in Uzbekistan, which has been a key part of the underground coal gasification program of the former Soviet Union since 1964. This acquisition makes Linc the world's largest underground coal gas producer.
Linc Energy's coal liquids Chinchilla project is exceptionally important. It creates a synthetic diesel option as an alternative to oil, and it strategically well places Australia to achieve energy security over the next decades.
3 years is exactly planned out for Linc. Linc is taking the technology it has here in Chinchilla, what we've developed in Australia, and developing a 20,000 barrel per day UCG to CTL commercial facility in South Australia. So it's something that can help the world, and so in 3 years' time, Linc will be a much bigger company that's running commercially on this technology.
To learn more about this story, visit Linc Energy at www.lincenergy.com.au.